theorem, the lengths of two tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Starting with a very easy sum. The sum is supported with a figure. It says that PA and PB are tangents from an external point P to a circle with center O. LN touches the circle at M. Prove that PL plus LM is equals to PN plus MN. That's what we need to do in this sum. To start with, we have two tangents, PA and PB, drawn from an external point P to a circle whose center is given as O. Line LN is another tangent touching the circle at point M. We need to prove PL plus LM equals to PN plus MN. Let's see what we are going to do with this. Now to start with, we have three tangents to the circle. One is PA, one is PB, and one is LN. And we can also see there are three external points with respect to the circle. One is P, one is L, and one is N. Let's consider point P. Now from point P, we can see PA and PB. What are PA and PB? They are nothing but the tangents to the circle. And we know these tangents are definitely going to be equal in length. Hence we now say PA is equal to PB. Let this be result number 1. Let's now go for the second external point, that is L. Now from L, we can again see two lines, LA and LM. They are tangents from an external point L. And we know the lengths are equal. Hence we now say LA equals to LM. Let this be result number 2. In the same way, if we look at point N, what can we say about MN and NB? They are also equal. Let this be result number 3. And the reason goes as follows. The length of two tangents from an external point to a circle are equal. Now what should we do with this? Here we are predominantly talking about the two tangents PA and PB, and we know they are going to be equal. It's already from 1. Now children, PA, if you look at the figure, it's made up of two parts, PL plus AL, or we can say LA. So what we do is we can replace PA as PL plus LA. The reason is P dash L dash A, or we can say A dash L dash B. That's equals to PB in the same way is made up of two parts, PN plus NB. So PB can be now replaced as PN plus NB, and the reason for this part should be B dash N dash P. That's what we're writing. Now if we just compare it what we need. If we compare this with what we need in the question, we can see we want PL, we want plus, we want an equal to sign, we want PN, we want plus again. But we don't want LA and we don't want NB. Now children, if you look at result number 2, LA is equals to LM. That means we can easily replace LA as LM. That's now equals to, we want P and so we'll repeat it. What about NB? We don't want NB. In result number 3, NB is equals to MN. So we replace NB as MN. The reason what we write is from 2 and 3. And you know what? We have already proved what we require. That is PL plus LM equals to PN plus MN.